gunshot you get, and one of your blood clot friend dead. Me not sorry, you know. Let me tell you that blood clot there. Say, me not gonna do like them on top. Me not do them. Hey, let me tell this pussy wall ya. Me just tell you, say, get well soon. Cause he don't not married. But me not sorry pussy wall. Me here all beat and come out and talk about you blood clot. You that buy man them a beer. We rush Shalam. I want you buy same man them a blood clot beer. We shot blood clot fish dog. You not go on, you not hypocrite boy, you pussy wall. That's how you not come down. You not go up there. You all are not hypocrite. All I know we talk about get well soon. I hypocrite them bumper clot. I only told me prank off my one. Fish dog can't prank off him. He can't prank off him one like me. He must come ball. I got shot. One died. My friend died. Help me. I post him in a ball. My foot baton them busting at two. It two of them I know me I pick out my coat and my blood clot foot. Ask me baby mother. And ask my night nurse. I know me I pick out my coat and my foot. Up until today me I pick out my coat and my blood clot foot. I know me no ball, I laugh, me I laugh. Cause me know say this is what me sign up for. Me never know that happen on the hop. But me know say this is what me sign up for. I got shot. Help me now. Joe Grand died. One died. Hey, calm down, man. Why you shouting? I got shot. Go suck your mother. Think me a blood clot, shed no tears for no wicked man. Me only glad you're not dead. Man shall shoot off your blood clot and clean and bust the next tonsil. No pussy wall, you know. And Miss Tripler come and talk about he will allow now some big shit in a bumbo clad plate. That's why me tell the people them. And the real people them know. Me hear some man talk about we can't rejoice so one of them man don't fall. Oh, so when Shalam chuck off, everybody that's so laugh. Oh, everybody's so happy. Oh, me a comedian. I'm me a comedian. I'm me a comedian. Alright, pussy. When they rush me and take me 2 bag of tangy, me a show you where me drive come. Me a show you where me blood clot come. Me come by one, I'm a half of me have no money, then take out me $3,000 out of me car. And thief me half back last 200, me peanut in it. And me blood clot. Cash you. Me don't know who does that. Me don't know what kind of blood clot bad man them here. And they don't want me talk, you know. Cause this a go boots say eagle, you know. And me they want to kill me again, you know. But this time me prepared and me give me location and me never trap. Well, me I want to look at a chick, but the kid Ralph, when I come here, one piece of blood clot board there. Me now make no kid Ralph hold me and fuck me. You think me a bad man go suck your mother, me go to jail enough time. No kid Ralph now hold me and fuck me. You think me don't know one of the pan boy, yeah? You me there.